Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Best Buy credit card account. Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer. It also provides with the facility of credit card. To log into your Best Buy credit card account, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.bestbuy.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Best Buy. Now here you'll be able to find credit cards option on the top. Click on credit cards option. After this, you'll be taken to credit card section of Best Buy. Now here you can see already a card member option. Click on sign in. With this, you'll be taken to login page. Now to log into your Best Buy, you can use passkey or your Apple ID, or you can sign in using your Google account. I'm going to manually sign in to Best Buy account. For this, enter the email address on the given box. After this, enter the correct password of your account. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot your password. Now after entering all the credentials, click on sign in. With this, now you'll be logged into your Best Buy credit card account. This is how we can log in Best Buy credit card account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.